Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the topic. In this video, we're taking a closer look at https://www.sc.com/ae/. This website belongs to Standard Chartered, a prominent multinational banking and financial services company. Standard Chartered has a significant presence in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia, and this specific URL likely directs users to their services within the United Arab Emirates. Navigating to the website, you'll find a wealth of information on the financial products and services offered by Standard Chartered in the UAE. These offerings likely include personal banking services such as checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and mortgages. For businesses, they likely provide corporate banking, trade finance, treasury services, and other specialized financial solutions. It's crucial to understand that the specific details of these services, including eligibility criteria, fees, and interest rates, will vary depending on the particular product and the individual customer's circumstances. The website likely provides detailed information about each product, but it's always recommended to contact Standard Chartered directly for personalized advice and to ensure you fully understand the terms and conditions before committing to any financial product. Exploring the website further, you might find resources like financial calculators, market insights, and educational materials to help customers make informed financial decisions. The site likely also offers online banking access, enabling customers to manage their accounts, make transactions, and access customer support conveniently. Remember, the content and layout of the website may be subject to change, so it's always best to refer to the most up-to-date version online. Due to the complex and ever-changing nature of financial regulations and market conditions, it's essential to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before engaging with any financial institution or product. This video provides a general overview of Standard Chartered's online presence in the UAE, but it should not be taken as financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any significant financial decisions. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information and to access the Standard Chartered UAE website directly.